Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be incredibly insightful for anyone looking to connect more deeply with the women in their lives. Let me ask you, have you ever found yourself wondering, am I touching her the right way, or where should I touch her to make her feel special? Well, you're not alone. Touch is one of the most powerful ways to communicate and connect with a woman, but knowing where and when to touch her is an art. Men often think it's easy, but it's more complicated than they realize. Women are incredibly sensitive to touch, and understanding which areas to focus on can make all the difference. So in today's video, I'm going to guide you through 12 places women secretly want to be touched and teach you how to master the art of touch to build deeper connections with her. Trust me, knowing this will not only impress her, but will also strengthen the bond between you two. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. When to touch a woman, the key to connection. Before we talk about the where, let's first address the when. Understanding timing is just as important as knowing the right places to touch. You might have the best intentions, but if the woman isn't ready or interested, your touch won't have the desired effect. Women are kinesthetic by nature, which means they respond strongly to touch. However, they also have a much greater number of sensory receptors than men. This makes their tactile perception incredibly heightened, but it's essential that you pay attention to the signs. If she seems interested and gives you open body language, that's your cue. But if she's withdrawing or not reciprocating, then respect her space. Touching her when she's open to it and asking for consent with a simple "Can I hold your hand?" can work wonders. It's about breaking that initial touch barrier in a way that feels comfortable for both of you. When you time your touch right, it will create a deep emotional connection. 12 places women want to be touched. Now let's break down the 12 places women want to be touched and how to touch them effectively to create the most impact. Her hair, soft and subtle. Women love it when a man runs his fingers through her hair. It's comforting, soothing, and can instantly make her feel safe and cared for. You can do this while watching a movie or sitting together. The simple act of gently brushing your fingers through her hair will give her those butterflies. Her scalp relax and unwind. This is one area that's often overlooked. A gentle massage of her scalp can make her feel instantly relaxed. Women's scalps are highly sensitive, and a little touch can go a long way, especially if she's stressed or anxious. Try gently massaging her scalp while having a conversation and watch her melt in your arms. Her ears, both emotional and sexual. Yes, ears are a highly sensitive zone for women. Kissing, nibbling, or lightly touching her ears can create a rush of emotional connection. Her ears are not only a sexual touch receptor, but also a place where she can feel intimate and connected to you emotionally. Her neck, a sensual spot. The neck, often thought of as the gateway to passion. Whether you're kissing her neck or simply running your fingers along the back of her neck, this area is deeply sensitive. It's a place where intimacy and safety merge. If you're close enough, a soft kiss or gentle touch here can send electric vibes down her spine. Her upper back, relaxation and comfort. Women often crave physical touch in areas they can't easily reach themselves, and the upper back is one of those spots. A gentle massage here can help her relax after a long day. If you want to make her feel pampered and appreciated, rub her back during a cozy evening together. It's a comforting gesture that will build trust. Her arms, light and loving. Touching her arms is one of the most natural places to start when you're getting to know each other. You can lightly touch her arm during a conversation or when walking together. It shows affection without being overwhelming. 7. Her hands, tender and gentle. There's something special about holding a woman's hand. It's an intimate, subtle way to show you care. Gently touching or even massaging her hands can send her a signal that you're interested and attuned to her needs. Hand-holding is a timeless gesture that makes her feel safe and adored. Her wrists, subtle yet sensual. The wrist is often forgotten, but it's an incredibly sensitive part of a woman's body. You can lightly brush your fingers over her wrist or gently hold it as a sign of affection. Many women appreciate a light, intimate touch. Here, it shows you're in tune with her emotions. Her lips kiss and touch. We all know that lips are one of the most obvious places to touch, but it's about more than just kissing. A light brush of your fingertips over her lips or placing your finger gently near her mouth can be both tender and sensual. It's an intimate and emotionally loaded gesture. Her inner thighs intimate and sexy. As you build more intimacy, touching the inner thighs can be a strong signal of affection and desire. It's a highly sexual and sensitive area, so when you feel the moment is right, gently touch her inner thighs to build the sexual tension between you to her. Knees, reassuring and comforting. Surprised, the knees are actually a very comforting and reassuring place to telu. If she's going through something emotional or needs a little support, placing your hand gently on her knee shows that you're there for her. This act is subtle but incredibly meaningful when done in the right context. Her waist, bold yet affectionate. Finally, the waist is a beautiful area to touch, especially while you're in a close embrace. Grabbing her waist or pulling her close shows that you appreciate her body and are physically attracted to her. It's an area that many women dress to highlight, and touching it with care and affection can be incredibly intimate. So there you have it, the 12 places women love to be touched. Now that you understand the power of touch and know where to touch her, you can truly master the art of connecting with her physically and emotionally. Remember, it's not just about the places, it's about timing, respect and communication. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new, or if I missed any important touch points. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice. And if you want your name to be featured in our next video, don't forget to click the link in the description below to join our community. Until next time, stay confident, stay respectful and keep building strong connections. Take care.